So today I want to show you how we can connect our GH3 Panasonic Lumix GH3 camera with our mobile phone. I will use mobile phone with Android, Samsung Note 1, but this is not important. You can use Android phones or iPhone, of course. So this movie will be only simple because I have on my GH3 manual lens without autofocus compatibility. It means it will be movie without autofocus, but I think for basic preview it will be okay, and probably next week I will have a new lens with autofocus, and maybe I will make new movie with autofocus function. So you must one thing, PASM mode you must set on camera manually. I have P because I have manual lens, and for this movie I want P, it will be okay. So first time we must download application in our mobile phone. So go on Google Play or Google Store, how you want, and on Google Store find Lumix. Yes, Lumix. And this first application, Lumix link, is what we want. So select Lumix link and install it. Download and install it. Yes. Yes. This is free without any payment. So it will be okay. Wow, this is my cat Ginny. And here is next cat. And room beside this you can listen my parrot, grey parrot. So Lumix link is installed, and we have somewhere here is my shortcut for Lumix link application here. Yes, genius. So on camera, in standard setup, autofocus, go. On standard camera, this FN1 button is switch on, switch off for Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi connection. If you map on this button some different function, of course you must switch on Wi-Fi from menu. But I have Wi-Fi now on FN1 button, what is standard in a standard setup. So press it longer or twice, and now we can see blue light. If you see blue light, it means our Wi-Fi is switched on. And now we want to make a new connection. First yellow line, new connection, and first line again, remote shooting. And now GH3 create a new Wi-Fi network, and first time we must, on our mobile phone, we must enter this code, this password on bottom line. We enter this code only first time, yes. In the future it will be without this code. So in my mobile phone, run Lumix, and try connect to camera, but, and trust me, this was a big problem for me, it will be not connected. Why? Because I am at home, and here at home I have my local Wi-Fi network for internet connection and for my computer network, etc. And my phone is connected to my local Wi-Fi network, but I want connect to other network, for network GH3. So I must go in networks, Wi-Fi networks, and here Tate RimerNet. This is my local Wi-Fi network, and I am connected to this network, but I want to connect to GH3 network. So select GH3. I have it in Czech language, but this is not problem. Select GH3. This name GH3 or something different you can set in GH3 camera and connect. Yes, and now go back in Lumix application, connecting to network, connecting to camera, on camera we have because this is not first time when I connect my camera to my mobile phone. My application is running without entering of code, but for first time you must enter this code. Yes, so I can't show you because this code is entered in my camera, but I think this is not this is nothing difficult for understanding. So now my application is running, camera is running, and I can control. For what I can control, I can switch on, switch off info about camera exposure, same information like on camera display. I can switch on sequence shooting. Here I can run movie record. Here I can make a picture. This is for focusing with touching of place on display, but how I say, I have now a lens without autofocus. And what is important, here we are in camera mode, preview mode. This is something about GPS, I don't know what it is, and this is settings. What is important here, set, we can set with manual focus, exposure, sensitivity and white balance. Just press button and I can change exposure. Yes. And how I can see same change is on camera. Sorry for my English, but I think photographers are smart peoples and you will understand it. So, or big exposure, so I want smaller exposure. Press back button, back on your mobile phone. No. Oh, here is my back button. Yes, and you have it with your compensation. So with P mode I can select and change exposure, sensitivity and white balance. Of course, sensitivity I have now 1600. I will use 125. And when I go to white balance, I can change white balance what I want. So I have this, for example. So depending on your setup on your camera, aperture priority, shutter speed priority, P, manual, depending on the setup you will see different options on your remote control on your mobile phone. So how we can make a picture? Just press button and your picture is recorded. Now about video recording. About video recording we have here some limitation. You can switch on camera recording with this button, but you can't switch off movie recording from your mobile phone or tablet. If you want to switch off movie recording, you must switch off with standard switch off button on your camera body. But we can set recording time on our mobile phone. We can recording settings, and there are some options. Here is video recording quality, same like on our camera, and here is recording time. Here we can set some recording time, in my case 30 seconds, okay, and if we will switch on this button and if we will record the movie, after 30 seconds recording will be stopped automatically, and you can again control your camera with remote control with your mobile phone. But if you want switch off recording of movie sooner, you must press button on your camera on GH3. One important thing: look on composition or on picture. Look on picture when is camera set on P. It means on P mode, but on picture. If I will now switch on movie recording, on camera, how you can see different part of picture will be used. Yes, image is cropped on different piece of picture. So if you want to see final, if you want to record a movie with this camera, and if you want to see a real picture, I recommend switch with your mode selection your camera manually on movie mode. Yes, the small camera with M, and you will see final picture. I think this is clear. So I must make manual focusing. Of course, same picture like on camera I can see on my mobile phone. And now I can try make a movie record, and my movie is recording. This application Lumix Link is not without bugs. Twice time my application in mobile phone crashed, yes, and for example we 2 minutes ago we set recording time 30 seconds, but how you can see sometime, I don't know why, sometime this time is different in real, yes, not 30 seconds but 3 minutes. Why? I don't know. Sometime is this time in right value, sometime not. I don't understand why, but I hope in Panasonic they will fix these bugs. Of course, GH3 is new camera and we first owners are beta testers. But I think it's okay, you can use it with this small box. Okay, you can use it, and I hope it will be fixed soon. And for example, for taking pictures of small birds, etc. With combination with electronic shutter, without any sound. Yes. So I think that's all. Again, sorry for my English language. I hope for someone this movie can be fine. So I will switch off recording and again, okay. And how I can switch off Wi-Fi? How you can see, this blue light means video mode is Wi-Fi mode. Wi-Fi connection is on. Just press it longer or twice, I don't know, never, I don't know. So here you can see terminate the connection. So press terminate the connection, terminate the Wi-Fi connection, yes. And our Wi-Fi connection is switched off.